Welcome. Are you having trouble with a black screen on LinkedIn? Don't worry, it's a common issue, and I'm here to guide you through some simple steps to get it fixed. Let's jump right in. First, the most basic step, close the LinkedIn app completely and then reopen it. This can often resolve temporary glitches. If that doesn't work, let's move on to your internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for LinkedIn to function properly. To check this, go to the settings on your device and click on the network icon. Ensure you are connected to your network. If you're not, select your network and connect. If the issue persists, try connecting to a different reliable network to determine if the problem is specific to your current network. Sometimes, simply switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa can make a difference. If your internet connection seems fine, the next step is to restart your device. This can help clear any temporary software conflicts that might be causing the black screen issue. After restarting, open the LinkedIn app again to see if the problem is resolved. If you're still facing the black screen, it's time to clear the app cache. Clearing the cache can remove corrupted or outdated data that might be causing the problem. Here's how to do it. From your device settings, find the LinkedIn settings, then click on Clear Data. Next, choose Clear Cache and confirm the step. Keep in mind that clearing data will sign you out of the app, so you'll need to sign back in. For Android users, you might also want to try force stopping the app. To do this, go to your phone's settings, then to Apps, find LinkedIn, and tap Force Stop. If you're using LinkedIn on your computer, refreshing the page, re-logging into your account, or updating your browser can help. Outdated browsers can sometimes cause compatibility issues. Sometimes the issue might stem from dual accounts. According to a user who had a similar issue, the conflict was caused by having dual accounts. Your original account and a second one that was possibly auto-created using the Sign In with Google feature. The solution is to sign into LinkedIn with your Google account and set a new password for it. Then, go to Account Settings and delete the Google account LinkedIn profile. After that, try logging in with your original LinkedIn account. These steps should help resolve the black screen issue on LinkedIn. If you are still encountering problems, consider checking LinkedIn's Help Center or contacting their support team for further assistance. Don't forget to keep your app updated to the latest version to avoid future issues. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful.